What's up, humans? It's Misha with Winnie Designs, and my goal is to teach you how to build a bathroom from start to finish. Today we're going to be focusing on our lighting, and this is going to be going over our mirror here, and I'm going to show you how to find the location of your box to drill, how to drill that, which type of box we're going to use, and also how to wire it. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, the notification bell, and let's get into it. So actually the first step to doing your vanity light is to put a wire there, and we did that during our rough-in electrical, where there's a wire that runs from our switch over this way. There's a loop somewhere in there, like a little spool of it, and then it runs over to the other light, and then there's a spool there as well. So that will happen before we did anything else. Step 2 is to do our mirror. We want to make sure our mirror is in first and centered, so then we can figure out the location of our light. This light we're going to put actually right in line with our mirror, kind of like so that it breaks up this space over here, and it also looks nice and balanced. So next we have to figure out our center line. For here we're using a laser. We just put the laser right on our faucet, and then we want everything to be centered on there. If you don't have a laser, that's okay. Just measure off the wall to your faucet, transfer that over to the top. So now we just have to find the height of this. So we're going to put this right where we need it, right about there, and then put a little tick mark right at the center, right there. So that's going to be the center of it. Now we can measure 7.5, 7.5. Okay, so this is the center where we're going to drill. Next, we're going to drill our hole and then put our boxes in. So we're going to take our mirror off just so we don't, by accident, damage or do anything to it. Put that over there. Next, we're going to use a 4-inch drill bit to cut this hole here. And the way you do it is at first you put the drill bit inside. Then once you're touching the sheetrock, put in reverse and then slowly get that hole done. There it is. Well, we're hitting it. Having this stuff here will determine the type of box we're going to use. But then here's the wire that we talked about. There it is. All right, so we got our wire that's going to the light, so that's this wire. Now we gotta find the wire that's coming off of our switch. And we left that there during construction as well. Oh, right there. That's that wire. So this is our power wire. So there's two types of boxes you could use. You could use an old work box that has these little flanges. That's what you would use if there's no studs there or anything like that. It's just an empty cavity. You'd use one of these guys. In our case, we're going to use a pancake box like this, a shallow pancake box, because we have a stud. So we want it to go like this. So we got to punch out this guy and this guy so that we can put our wire through it. All right, so now I need to get one of these wire clamp guys. And they just get pushed in from the back. One. And for the other wire as well. Go right in there. Gets pushed in. Got a few wire from the top. So here now we have our light. It's gonna go there. We're gonna take this bracket off of it. We got this wire. I'm gonna put our two ground wires together. We're gonna grab our light. We're going to grab our light ground as well, and this third one, and put all of them together like so. All of them together like so. Get a cap over it, and just twist them up. These caps with the little ears help a lot. So we twist them up like this. And then what happens now is this guy can go inside the box and kind of hide out of the way. Like so. And this guy actually goes to our ground. Just kind of clean this up a little bit, wipe it down so we can kind of still get to this right now. It's nice and easy to get to it. And then put our shades on. All right, lastly, we gotta put the light bulbs in, set the mirrors, and test it. Bang. What do you guys think? I think it looks awesome. And you know what? That wasn't as hard as some people make it look. Honestly, nothing to it. You can do it.